Buying Apple Music with Apple Gift Card. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Apple Music with Apple Gift Card. So first of all, you need to redeem your Apple Gift Card into your Apple iOS device or your Apple account. So in order to do that, you have to go to your Apple Store. In App Store, you have to click on your profile, and after tapping on your profile, you will be able to see these options here. You have to tap on redeem gift card or code. After tapping on that option, either you guys have to choose the camera option, and you can also add the code manually. You just have to do that and add your code on your menu from the gift card. You will be added to your Apple account. After that, you simply have to do one thing. You just have to go to the Apple Music on the same device. As you guys can see, I'm going to the Apple Music on the same device now. You have to go to Apple Music and tap on the music you want to purchase or you want to buy subscription of. Then you will select Apple Gift Card as your payment option, and that's how you will be able to get Apple Music with Apple Gift Card. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.